Here's some Craftivism Concept Trivia. Subscribe. What kind of activism incorporates crafting? Is it A, art therapy, B, baking protests, C, craftivism, or D, knitting advocacy? The correct answer is C, craftivism. Which city is known for its craftivism movement? Is it A, Berlin, B, London, C, Melbourne, or D, Tokyo? The correct answer is B, London. Which inspirational quote is associated with craftivism? Is it A, stitch your beliefs, B, sow for hope, C, knit for peace, or D, thread your dreams? The correct answer is A, stitch your beliefs. In what medium is the craftivism practice most commonly found? Is it A, plastic, B, glass, C, wood, or D, fabric? The correct answer is D, fabric. Which demographic is often targeted by craftivism? Is it A, marginalized communities, B, young professionals, C, affluent neighborhoods, or D, corporate giants? The correct answer is A, marginalized communities. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.